What is up, guys? It's Jeff, aka Pumpkin Spice, coming at you from the kitchen sink. And today we're going to be talking about the recoil changes in Insurgency Sandstorm that can be found on the community test environment. These will be coming in build 1.5, hopefully in their current state. I hope they don't change these because they're really good. They've reduced recoil, aiming down sights by like 15%. Crouch and recoil reduction is down to 20% less recoil instead of 40%. Prone recoil reduction has been reduced down to 30%. It is 60% less recoil now. They've reduced the recoil penalty while leaning from 20% to 10% only for low weight loadouts though. This doesn't change for other classes. In this build, they've made the recoil penalty while moving consistent across all weight classes. As it currently is in 1.4, lightweight has more recoil while moving. Sprint has been reduced by 8%, and the MK14 EBR recoil has been increased to more resemble, I guess, the FAL. Alright, so from this point on, the left side of the screen will be the CTE, the right side of the screen will be the current live build. First, we'll be starting with the aiming down sights recoil reduction, then we'll move on to the other recoil reductions in hip fire, since the aiming down sights recoil reduction will obtain our results on the test server. We'll finish up with the sprint reduction by 8%, and that's all I got. Let's get to it.
Cover me!
Alright guys, that's all I got as far as the movement and recoil changes coming in this update, with the exception of one, lightweight loadouts have higher recoil while moving in this build that's live right now. On the CTE, they made recoil for lightweight loadouts while moving consistent with the other weight classes as well. On the live build, it has a higher recoil while moving than the other two. So that's one of the things I couldn't consistently test. There are some things in this update that I wish I would have seen, like a 5v5 firefight, kind of like, put competitive front and center as far as like a casual mode to practice for it. I'd like to see skirmish back. It sucks that it's not there, but that's okay. Domination is actually like a really fun mode. I played it with the devs earlier when they were playing with the community on the CTE, and I'll actually be putting up a video of that later on. Just one match, start to finish, no editing, all the misses, potato, everywhere. You'll see it all. But anyway, that's all I got right now. Just hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later.